Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, math teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you chapter number 3, exercise 3 examples. In that example or some example are given in the identity of a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. First, explain the term of a plus b whole cube, that is a plus b whole cube, that is the formula of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, and a minus b is also a minus b cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So these two identity, solve the first identity. Taken a plus b whole cube, and that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b, that is this term in that side. So that is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab, a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube. So that term in a plus b is common taken, that is that term is a plus b whole square minus 3ab is equal to a cube plus b cube. Now that term is a plus b, and that is the term of a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab is equal to, that is a cube plus b cube. So that term is a plus b, and a square plus b square minus ab is equal to a cube plus b cube. Now similarly solve the another identity, that is a minus b cube, that is find out of this term, that is a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and a minus b. That term is taken this side, that is 3ab and a minus b equal to a cube minus b cube. So that is a minus b is common, and taken a minus b whole square plus 3ab is equal to a cube minus b cube. So that is a minus b and a square plus b square, a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 3ab is equal to a cube minus b cube. So that is a minus b, and taken that is a square plus b square plus ab is equal to, that is a cube minus b cube. So these types of question are solved to this identity to factorize of that term. So two identity, that is a cube, that is a cube plus b cube, find out, and that is the a cube minus b cube is find out to form, that is a minus b, and that is a square plus b square plus ab, and that term a cube plus b cube is a plus b and a square plus b square minus ab. So that term is a cube and b cube, that is x cube plus 4 cube. So that term solve the identity a cube plus b cube. So this term is, that is x plus 4, that is a plus b, and that is a square, that is x square plus 4 square minus ab, x into 4. So that is x plus 4, and that is x square plus 16 minus 4x. So solve of this term that is the solution of x plus 4, that is x square minus 4x plus 16 in order. So these term factorize to this term, that is the solution of x cube plus 64. Now taken question number 2 of question number second taken, that is factorize, that is a cube plus b cube plus a plus b. Now two term a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, and that is a square plus b square minus ab, and now plus a plus b. So that is a plus b and a plus b are common. So that is a square plus b square minus ab plus 1. That is the term of this question is solved to these types, that is the factorization of these terms. Okay, solve of these terms. Thank you.